Hey, good morning. So here's another set of panels that have a lot of ash on them and dirt and different things like that we're going to take off. Got a few over here. I think there's about 28 of them. But I wanted to draw your attention to this. You can see over here in the corner, if you can see, there is a shadow being cast by the tree onto the panels. And sometimes the tree can overgrow like that, and it can cause your power output to drop a little bit. And you know, it's different times of the year. The sun pitches different ways. Trees lose leaves, they gain leaves and all that. So that's something that I look out for too. I'm gonna let the customer know that they do have a pretty large shadow being cast on here. It doesn't look to be a problem because I think that it's in the morning more, where they wouldn't really be using a lot of power probably for air conditioning and all that, but I am going to draw their attention to it so they know. But outside of that, we have a nice flat shingle roof. That's always a good thing. It's a one-story. There's the gardener. It's going to get noisy in a minute, so I'm going to turn this off, and I will show the rest of the film when I get done cleaning them. Okay? So hang in there with me. And there we have it, folks. All done. It all came out really nice. The ash and all the minerals and dirt and smog and everything else that gets on your solar panels all came off real nice. We had some really good solar panels under there. As you can see, there's the tree. The shadow is dissipated from the sun moving, but it took a little while to do it. Anyways, before I get done here and shut the camera off, I wanted to give you a little tip on something about using equipment. At Allbright here, I use really good stuff. Sometimes people buy cheaper poles. There's my pole there that I used on this one. But I use the good stuff. These poles cost about $1,000, $1,500 depending on how long they are. This is a 30-footer. It extends out to 30 feet. And here's what's important about this pole, or these type of poles. Let me get it up here for you. See, this is carbon fiber. And what happens is, as you can see, when you go up and down with it, it doesn't bend or flex. It stays completely straight. If you have a cheap pole, when you push on it, it's going to bend and bow in the middle, and you're not going to get the energy down there to the end of the brush. And it's not going to get a good job cleaning. You have to use these good poles that just stay solid. And this one, sometimes these panels can be 5 deep, and the pole just stays nice and straight and strong like that. So that's what you want. That's why having good equipment makes the difference. And at the end there, I have a really good, I don't know if you can see from here, really nice boar's hair brush. That does a great job on solar panels. That's the standard. They're pretty expensive. I've seen people up here using pool equipment, just all kinds of things that you don't want to use. Another thing about this pole here, it weighs about 3 pounds. It's very light. You can just move it around. And if you dropped it, it wouldn't break the panels because it like I say, it weighs 3 pounds. So it's designed that way also, not only for strength, but in case, you know, just someone could drop a pole. If you have a big metal pole that's like a pool cleaning pole and you drop it, you're going to break the panels. And some people, like I say, do use that stuff. You want the good stuff if you're going to do panels. You got to have the good stuff. And that's what I have here at Allbright. And next time around, I'll do a little video and show you about deionized water and why you need that for cleaning the panels, okay? But there you go. It's all done. We had a little problem with water pressure, but that was because the washing machine and the dishwasher was on in the house. But we fixed that, so good to go, okay? There we go. Thanks for watching.